Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Hypix Rad Fumes.
I'm Norbert Mwandiga, Mr. Crops.
Okay, and today we are talking about banana farming. As we all know that banana is one of the plants that are known well to human beings.
Yeah, sure.
And banana is mostly known for its sweet fruits.
To be specific, as we are going to discuss about the banana production, we have various things to look at in banana production. And one of them is the management of the banana fruits and the disease affecting the bananas, and also the value of the banana in East Africa and the world at large.
And of course we are going to talk about different varieties of banana, and also we are going to tackle about diseases, pests and their control concerning banana farming. And to be brief, we are going to tackle about, let's come to this branch. So in any banana crop, we have, these are the suckers. As you can see, these are suckers. These are the suckers.
Exactly.
This is the bunch. This whole of this. This is the bunch. This is the bunch. The whole of this.
Of banana.
These are the figures. These are the figures. This is the male flower. And according to the different diseases that attack banana plant, we all know that there are some diseases like cigarette. Cigarette attacks banana fruit at the end of this. So at the end of this figure, we have cigarette attacks here. So you will find that at this point this is whereby this end it becomes hard.
Yeah, and also to add on that, in cigarettes, there's a appearance of a black surface here at the entry, which is caused at the early stages or during the maturity. We will see a black surface here developing in the tip of the bananas. Yeah.
So to control this kind of disease, we actually put perforated polythene bag. So we bag this bunch. Exactly. So after bagging this bunch, we are able to control some factors like rainfall, injury, and also humidity. Like you all know that there are some diseases like anthracnose. Anthracnose can attack either the fruit, can attack even the leaves. So you will find that it has different spots. So to prevent this, to control this, we usually do bagging.
Exactly.
Some other diseases like Fusarium wilt, you'll find that these leaves begins to drop.
To fall, begins to fall.
So after they start falling, you find that this stem is left without leaves. So through this, you expose these stems to diseases.
Yeah, Mwalimu, as you can see here, we have that Fusarium wilt, which is caused maybe by the strong winds or something like that. We see the difference between this leaf and this one. In Fusarium wilt, this leaf will not be able to stand on its own, but it falls. Another thing that we want to look at in the management of a banana, we have seen that there's various diseases which we have looked at, like that Fusarium, wilt, and cigar head rot. Another management we can see is about mulching. Mulching is another management of banana. We can see here we use dry leaves or dry grasses to mulch our banana, and this is because we want to maybe to preserve moisture and also to prevent the weeds from germinating, that is suppressions of weeds. Another thing that we want to talk about is or a question when it comes in terms of mulching. When mulching, it is advisable that when mulching, do not use the green leaves to mulch, because at some point it's going to bring in weevils that will infect the bananas. So it is advisable that if you prune the bananas, keep the leaves to dry, then mulch your crop so that you prevent the weevil. Yeah.
So you have said after cutting the pseudostem, you should cover the pseudostem so that you can prevent the entry of the weevils.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And also talk about the performance of this plant.
Yeah.
So at early stages of this crop, you are able to generate at around 5,000 to 150,000 per month.
Yeah, exactly.
It ranges with the production of either the types of bananas.
The varieties of the bananas.
Yes.
So we can move
So we also have
the leaf strike in the black.
We also have the varieties in what?
In bananas.
In banana farming, we have different types of varieties, and these varieties are, you'll find that dwarf, medium, and tall varieties.
Yeah.
In our farm here, we have short, those are the dwarf, and the medium varieties. The medium varieties, we have varieties like Valerie and Williams.
Yeah.
We also have some varieties like Ng'ombe, Nusu Ng'ombe,
and others. Yeah.
Mkono wa nini?
There are so many varieties actually.
There are so many varieties. So in this crop called Dizzy, it's wide.
It's very wide.
So you will find that we can't expose all, we can't tackle all the kinds of diseases, because even we have only tackled the fungal diseases.
The fungal diseases only.
We have not tackled about the bacterial.
Yeah.
So,
and as you can see in your spacing here, this is a dwarf variety, and in every spacing that we can see, it is like there is a spacing of around 2.5 by 2 or 3 meters, depending on the varieties. So in our case, we have 2.5 by 3 by 2 meters. Sorry.
So
yeah.
When you are talking about establishment of this plant, this crop, you also need to consider the size of the hole.
The hole, yeah.
So you find that if in dry soils you should use 90 centimeters by 90
by
90.
Yeah.
That is continuous 90. So it's somewhat square.
Yeah.
Then in dry soils you use 60 by 60 centimeters.
Yeah.
So through this you are able to ensure that your banana crop is able to withstand and also to
the ecological conditions of the environment and the soil also.
When we talk about the ecological conditions of this crop, we find that this crop does well in altitude of about 1,000 millimeters
Yeah.
and below. We also talk about rainfall. Banana crop needs a lot of rainfall when it is in its flowering stage. So you'll find that during flowering stage, this crop is in need of water, and also you should also top dress this crop with about 40 to 60 kgs of farmyard manure.
Yeah, yeah.
So today we have just tackled basics of banana production, and through this we encourage you to follow us, subscribe, share and comment, and also don't forget to ring that bell. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.